Today I'm making some fajitas. I did the rice already with some green onions, I guess you could say. See those little ones? You chop them up into little pieces. And then little bell peppers. And I also did some onions. I caramelized them. And then I put the rice in oil, boiled it. Then I did beans with chopped garlic. First is the meat. I'm gonna cook it, and then later on I'm gonna chop it up with some meat scissors, like long little pieces. Let me see, like that. Okay, cool. These are the meat scissors. I'm gonna chop it up later. I cut the meat in little strips. Now I'm gonna toss these in here. Do it like long ways, that way it looks like fajitas. Now I have some taco seasoning. This is the one that I usually use. Ta-da! And then some paprika. Nothing crazy. Okay. And then some Lari's salt. Okay, then a little bit of water so it won't be super dry.